Take a deep breath in, exhale, release and relax. One more deep breath in, exhale all the way out, and relax. Bring in all of your attention to your heart space. Breathe in through your heart and breathe out through your heart. When you breathe in, bring in the light, peace, serenity, clarity. When you exhale through your heart, exhale to the back, releasing tension, chaos, and everything that is heavy on you. So breathe in through your heart. Inhale that light, that peace, that clarity. Exhale through the back of your heart and release. Relax. One more deep breath in, bringing that peace and clarity. Exhale through the back of your heart, letting go, detaching from everything around, disconnecting, and being here within yourself, just for yourself, to recharge, to bring peace to your mind, to your heart, to come back to yourself and to balance. Calling back all of your awareness from any places, spaces, any realities, bringing all of your pieces back into this now moment and being one, complete you. Allow yourself to disconnect from anything outside, breathing nice and easy. Just let it be. Imagine the light within your heart running down the ropes of light through your body, through your feet and through your tailbone, and connecting with the heart of the earth. See it anchoring there. Feel her creative power, her care, support, her love for everything that lives on her and within her. Bring that energy back up those light ropes into your heart. See it traveling upwards through your feet and through your tailbone, all the way up to your heart and reaching up higher, going through your head out and connecting with the source creator of all and anchoring there. And now feel the power of the creator, his support, love. Bring that energy down. See the light robes from the source coming down through your head, reaching your heart and going down through your body to connect with the heart of the earth and anchoring there. Blast of light from within your heart expands like a sphere and surrounds your whole being with all of that energy from the source and from Mother Earth, hovering between both, safe, supported, peaceful. Allow yourself just to be. Feel your entire body absorbing that energy. Your feet, every toe, relaxing, letting go. Your ankles, your calves, all the muscles, bones, veins, lymphatics, everything relaxing, letting go of tension. Your knees, your thighs, your hips, relaxed, letting go of the tension. Your glutes, your stomach, your spine, all internal organs, your chest, your arms and your hands, relaxing, letting go, just being, allowing everything that's heavy to fall off and letting go. Your neck and your head, your eyes and a tongue in your mouth, fully relaxed, letting go, allowing to release. Feel that energy of allowance all around you and within you. Like on a soft blanket floating. Whatever is heavy was left behind, and you're just drifting in peaceful, loving, safe space. Every cell in your body opens up, and it's releasing heavy energy, toxic energy, and replacing it with light and peace, with clarity. One by one, each cell, one next to another, touching and absorbing that energy one from another, and it spreads through your entire body, your skin, thicker layers of your skin, your veins and lymphatics, your muscles, your bones, your ligaments. Every single cell in your internal organs opens up, letting go of all that doesn't serve your body, doesn't serve your being, and replacing it with light, with peace, with clarity. Your entire body glows with peace, drifting. Your mind opens up and allows all the heavy thoughts, toxic self-talk to be released like dirty water leaving your mind, and it's being replaced with the beautiful bright light and clarity. And as your mind clears and shines with that light and peace, the light from your heart and your mind connect. Your inner power and your power of creation within you connect with your heart too, with the clear and open mind, with the pure and open heart, with the allowance to create what you desire, filling up your entire being. You are the creator of your everyday. See what you want to create. Feel what you want to create. Allow it to go through your mind and your heart and bring it in to physicality. Ask for support and you shall receive it. Believe and you will. Allow that connection to Divine Creator to feel safe, to feel supported, to feel that each request is fulfilled. That connection with Mother Earth that allows you to bring all of your projects to life and ground it within you and ground it on a physical plane. You are the infinite being, the creator. Bring it into your heart, into your mind, into your entire being. Allow it to get grounded within you. I am infinite being, and I am the creator of my life. Each day waking up with the gratitude within your heart for this day, because this each day you have a chance to create the life you desire, and that you shall receive. Feel that within your heart. Allow it to live there. I am loved. I am protected. I am supported. I am. So I deserve. Drifting slowly down, bringing your awareness back into your physical body in this now moment. Richer in the light, richer in clarity, richer in support and allowance to be and to have, to create. Taking slightly deeper breath. Reconnecting with your physical body. One more breath in, feeling your surroundings, reconnecting with your surroundings. Becoming more aware of it. Take one or two more deep breaths to fully reconnect and ground yourself, your awareness within your physical body. You can move your fingers and your toes. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes.